Week 3. Content narrative for creative thinking and problem-solving techniques. 1. The role of creativity in problem-solving. Problem-solving requires both logic and creativity. While analytical thinking helps in identifying and structuring problems, creativity allows for the generation of new and innovative solutions. Many challenges require individuals to think beyond traditional approaches and explore alternative possibilities. Creativity is particularly important in addressing social change because many of the challenges facing communities do not have simple solutions. Economic instability, environmental sustainability, and access to education require solutions that are adaptable, innovative, and responsive to local conditions. Creative problem-solving involves developing solutions that are effective and sustainable by considering different perspectives, experimenting with new ideas, and applying knowledge in new ways. Creativity is not limited to artistic expression, it is a skill that can be developed and applied in practical ways. 2. Techniques for enhancing creative thinking. Creativity is a skill that can be strengthened through intentional practice. Some techniques that help individuals generate and refine creative ideas include: A. Brainstorming, a method of generating as many ideas as possible in a short time without immediate evaluation or criticism. It encourages free thinking and allows multiple perspectives to emerge. B. Mind mapping, a visual technique that helps in organizing ideas and seeing connections between different concepts. It is particularly useful for breaking down complex challenges. C. Reverse thinking, a problem-solving approach that involves thinking about what would make a problem worse, then reversing those conditions to identify potential solutions. D. Role-playing, stepping into the perspective of different stakeholders to explore new ways of thinking about a problem. This technique helps in understanding the needs and motivations of those affected by a challenge. E. Analogical thinking, drawing inspiration from solutions in unrelated fields to apply them to a new context. For example, the development of mobile money services in Africa was inspired by informal credit-sharing practices in local communities. 3. The Scamper technique. Scamper is a structured technique used to stimulate creative thinking by encouraging individuals to look at a problem or solution from different angles. It consists of 7 approaches. A. Substitute, what can be replaced to improve the solution? B. Combine, how can elements be merged to create something new? C. Adapt, how can an existing idea be modified for a new purpose? D. Modify, what changes can enhance the solution? E. Put to another use, can the solution serve a different function? F. Eliminate, what can be removed to simplify the problem? G. Reverse, how can the approach be flipped for a fresh perspective? Scamper helps individuals explore different possibilities and refine solutions by systematically examining what can be adjusted or reimagined. 4. Case study, William Kamkwamba and innovative problem-solving. William Kamkwamba, a young Malawian innovator, faced a significant challenge in his village: the lack of electricity. Instead of accepting the problem as unchangeable, he sought a solution by building a windmill using scrap materials, including bicycle parts and wooden poles. His innovation provided electricity to his home and inspired broader efforts to implement small-scale renewable energy solutions in rural Africa. Key lessons from this case study: A. Resourcefulness, innovation does not always require advanced technology. Sometimes, it involves making the best use of what is available. B. Persistence, despite facing skepticism, Kamkwamba continued refining his idea and learning from his mistakes. C. Community impact, his innovation addressed a real and pressing need, demonstrating that creative solutions can lead to meaningful change. 5. Innovation in addressing African challenges. Many of Africa's most pressing challenges require innovative approaches. Creative problem-solving has led to transformative solutions in areas such as: A. Financial inclusion, the introduction of mobile banking services such as M-Pesa has provided millions of people with access to financial services without requiring a traditional bank account. B. Healthcare, telemedicine and mobile health applications are expanding access to medical services in remote areas. C. Education, digital learning platforms are helping bridge gaps in education access, particularly in rural areas where physical schools may be limited. D. Environmental sustainability, innovations in renewable energy, waste management, and climate adaptation strategies are helping communities respond to environmental challenges. By developing creative problem-solving skills, scholars can contribute to designing solutions that are not only effective but also sustainable and culturally relevant. Conclusion: creativity is essential in problem-solving, particularly when addressing social change. This week, scholars have explored various techniques for enhancing creativity, including brainstorming, mind mapping, and the Scamper method. The case study of William Kamkwamba demonstrated how innovative thinking can lead to practical solutions. As problem solvers, scholars should continuously cultivate creativity by challenging assumptions, exploring different perspectives, and applying structured techniques to generate impactful solutions.